list three multiples for the following numbers, ordering them from the smallest. Welcome to MathGip. Today's topics multiples and factors. This is part 1. This video is ideal for grade 5 to 7 and class 4. So let's get started. First, we have to know what is multiple. Look, a multiple means the result when a number is multiplied by 1, 2, 3 and so on. So here is list three multiples for the following numbers. So number 1, 4. So this one we can write like 4 times 1 equals to 4. 4 times 2 equals to 8. 4 times 3 equals to 12. So ordering them, so we can say three multiples of the number. So 4, 8, 12 is the multiple of 4, or we can add 4, 8, 12 is the 3 multiple of 4. Okay, now second one, which is 7. Similar thing, 4, sorry, this is 7, right? So 7 times 1 equals to 7. 7 times 2 it will be 14. 7 times 3 it will be 21, right? So same thing we can write. So 7, 14, 21 is the three multiples of 7. So same line we can write several times, so we can copy this one, right? We can make copy this one we can first select and we can take common, we can copy. Okay, next number 3, what? 11. So 11, this is like 11 times 1 will be 11, then 11 times 2 equals to 22, then 11 times 3 equals to 33. It can be changed. If you want, you can multiply by 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So this case we can write what? So three multiples are what? Three multiples are is a what? 11, 22 and 33. So number 1, 2, 3 done. Now number 4, which is 14. Okay, so what about 14? 14, it will be 14 times 1 equals to 14. 14 times 2 it will be 28, and 14 times 3 equals to what? 42, right? So three multiples are what? 14, 28 and 42. Okay, so very simple. So we are in first part and we are trying to solve question 1. This part we will solve 2 question. Here is 7 question. Day by day we will try to solve everything, but first part it will be question 1 and 2. Let's start question 2. Second question, list 3 common multiples for the following pairs of numbers, ordering them from the smallest, and also write the least common multiple, it means LCM. So first we have to know common multiples are numbers that both can divide exactly, and the smallest of them is called LCM. So how we can find this one? Look, number 1 of 2, 3 and 4. So list 3 common multiples for the following pairs of numbers. So 3 and 4, if we make LCM, it will be what? It will be 12. 3 and 4 LCM what? 12, right? So common multiples are are what? 12 times 1 equals to 12. 12 times 2, it will be 24, and then 12 times 3, it will be 36. Okay, so now look, we can divide this 12 by 3 and also can by 4. Similar 24 we can divide by 3 or by 4. Finally 36 also we can divide by 3 or 4. So 12, 24 and 36 is a what? Common multiples. Number 2, 4 and 9. Look, this math first mention list 3 common multiples for the following pairs of the numbers, ordering them from smallest, and also write the least common multiple. But in here first we have to find out 4 and 9 LCM. It will be help us to find out the common multiples. Like 4 and 9 has no common factor, because 4 if we make prime factor, it will be 2 times 2, and 9 it will be 3 times 3. So here is no common factor. Therefore 4 and 9 LCM 36. Okay, now common multiple are it's a very easy thing. 36 times 1, it will be 36. Then what? 36 times 2, it will be 72. And then 36 times 3, it will be 108. So common multiples are 36, 72 and 108. Very simple. Number 3. 3 has two numbers, which is 3 and 9 LCM. 3 and 9 LCM what? 3 we can write what? 1 times 3, and 9 we can write 3 times 3. So which is common thing? 3, right? So and here is uncommon. What does mean? It means LCM is 3 times 3, it will be 9, or the shortcut format 3 and 9 we can divide by 3. So here is 1 and here is 3, so 3 and 3 it will be 9. So 9 is a LCM, right? It means least common multiple. Now common multiples. What? 9 times 1 it will be 9, 9 times 2 it will be 18, and 9 times 3 it will be 27. This is the 3 common multiples for the following pairs. Okay, so answer first 9, 18 and 27, and LCM equals to what? 9. Very simple. So number 4, 5 and 8. Look, 5 and 8 are co-prime number, because here is no common factor. So LCM equals to 5 times 8 equals to 40, right? Then what is the common multiples? common multiples are what? So first 40 times 1, it will be 40. 40 times 2, it will be 80. 40 times 3, it will be 120. Okay, so very simple thing. So number 1 and 2 done. No more today. This video I am trying to solve 2 math, which is very important. Now you should keep practice at home. Okay, so take care. Next video we will start from number 3. Till then, keep practice at home and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is MathJip. Thank you.